Hi boys and girls, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's class we are going to write a C program to print the even numbers between 0 and 10 using the do while loop. Okay, in order for you to write this program, you should know what is an even number. Okay, so if I modulo 2 is equal to 0, then what? Then I is an even number. This is the modulus operator. The modulus operator will retain the what? Will retain the remainder. So simple. 4 modulo 2, what is the answer? The answer is 0. 6 modulo 2, what is the answer? The answer is 0. Okay, it means what? 4 and 6 are even numbers. Please take note. 4 divided by 2, what is the answer? Is 2. 6 divided by 2, what is the answer? Is 3. So what is the difference between this modulus operator and this division operator? This is going to retain the remainder and this is going to retain the what? The quotient. It's okay. So here, what is the output of this program? At least you should know the output of this program. So you are supposed to print 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even numbers between 0 and 10. So I'm going to write hash include stdio.h int main, int I is equal to 2. Int I is equal to 2. Do printf %d \n. This is the escape sequence. It is going to direct the cursor to the next what? To the next line. I want to print what? I want to print I. I want to print I. Now here, I plus plus. While this I should be less than, you can say should be less than 9 or less than 10, still okay. Anything you can write here. Here, return is 0. This is 1. So this is the program. Let's check how the output is coming. Int I is equal to 2. This is the preprocessor directive the compiler is going to check. After checking this, it is going to find the main function. This is the main function. Now it is going to enter into the main function. What is the meaning of this statement to the compiler? This is nothing but declaration and initialization of the variable I. So I is initially storing 2. Suppose this is 230, the memory address. So do, it is going to enter, no condition here. Printf %di, it is going to print the value of I, which is nothing but 2. 2 is going to be printed. Here, the value of I is going to be implemented. Okay, is this the correct implementation? It should be I is equal to I plus 2. Okay, now let's check. I is equal to, what is the first value of I? Is 2. Plus what? Plus 2. What is the answer? I is equal to 4. It's okay. Now it is going to check. While, what is the value of I? It's 4. Okay. 4 is less than 10. This is true. If this is true, it is going to enter again. Now, what is going to happen? The value of I is going to be incremented. 4 is printed. Okay, but now I have 4. Simple. After printing this 4, what is going to happen? The value of I is going to be incremented from what? From 4. This is 4 plus 2. This is 4 plus 2. This becomes what? This becomes 6. Okay. Now it is going to check. 6 is less than 10. Yes, 6 is less than 10. If it is less, it is going to enter again. The value of I is printed, which is 6. Now it is going to increment. I is equal to 6 plus 2. I is equal to 6 plus 2, which is 8. Okay, now the value of I is 8. Okay, it is going to check. 8 is less than 10. This is true. It is going to enter again. Now the value of I is printed. This 8. This 8 is incremented. I is equal to 8 plus 2. What is the answer? This is 10. Okay, now the new value of I is 10. Here I have what? I have 10. It is going to check. 10 is less than 10. This is false. 10 is less than 10. So it is not going to enter. That's why 10 is not being printed in this program. So the program is over. Okay. Now we want to print the odd numbers between 0 and 10. This is the problem now. We want to print the odd numbers between 0 and 10. In the previous program, we managed to print the even numbers between 0 and 10 using the do while loop. Now we want to print the odd numbers between 0 and 10 using the do while loop. It's okay. So what are odd numbers? See, if I modulo 2 is not equal to 0, okay, then what? Then I is an odd number. I is an odd number. So what is the meaning of this? See, 5 modulo 2, what is the answer? Is 1. If you say 5 divided by 2, the answer is 1. 7 modulo 2, what is the answer? The answer is also 1. 9 modulo 2, what is the answer? The answer is equal to 1. Simple. This modular sign is going to retain the what? It is going to retain the remainder. And this remainder in this case is some value that is 1, is not 0. Therefore, it means what? It means 5, 7, and 9 are odd numbers. So I would like to write a program, and we want to print the odd numbers between 0 and 10. We know the output, right? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this is the output. Let's write the program now. Hash include stdio.h int main. Yeah. After this, I'm going to write what's this? Int I is equal to 1. Now to printf okay. So well, I is less than 10. Okay, so this is the program. Let's check how the program is going to be executed. The preprocessor derivative followed by the main function. Now the compiler is going to enter into the main function. It is in the main function. What is the meaning of this? Declaration and initialization of the variable I. Some space is allocated for the variable I. Suppose this is 500, and what is the value of I? I is 1. It's okay. Do. The compiler is going to enter. What is the meaning of this? This is telling the compiler to print I. Okay, whatever value which is stored in I is going to be printed. In this case, 1 is going to be printed. It's okay. Now I is going to be incremented. How? I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to, what is the value of I? It's 1 plus 2. So I is equal to what? To 3. It's okay. The condition is going to be checked. 3 is less than 10. I is now 3, right? I is now 3. The condition is going to be checked. 3 is less than 10. This is true. 3 is less than 10. So it is going to enter again. The value of I is going to be printed, which is this 3. 3 is incremented. 3 plus 2, what is the answer? The answer is 5. Now the new value of I is 5. The new value of I is 5. Okay, now it is going to check. 5 is less than 10. True. This is less than 10. It is going to enter again. The value of I is going to be printed, which is this what? Which is this 5. Okay, after printing this, the value of I is incremented. I is equal to, I is 5 plus 2, which is 7. So now I is 7. My I is 7. And here I have 7. Okay, it is going to check. 7 is less than 10. Yes, 7 is less than 10. If 7 is less than 10, it is going to what? It is going to enter again. Okay, then 7 is going to be printed. It's okay. Now 7 is going to be incremented. I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to 7 plus 2. I is equal to 9. So now the value of I is 9. So this is 9. it is going to check. 9 is less than 10, true. 9 is less than 10, right? If this is true, it is going to enter again. Then 10 is going to, 9 is going to be incremented. It's going to be printed. Okay, I said 9 is less than 10, true. If this is true, it is going to enter again. Now the value of I, which is 9, is going to be printed. It's okay. Now I is going to be incremented. I is equal to I plus 2. I is equal to 9 plus 2. I is equal to 11. Now it is going to check. Here I have 11. Here I have 11. And here I also have 11. It's okay. Now 11 is less than 10. This is false. 11 is greater than 10. Okay, if this is false, it is not going to enter again. So this is the final output. Okay, boys and girls, thank you very much. I will see you in the next class. Enjoy your day.